Hi, my name is Miroslav. I'm the lead designer at Scout Paramotors. In this video, I would like to show you how to do the settings of the adjustable propeller, explain the benefits and also potential dangers of using the adjustable propeller. For most pilots, I would definitely recommend to use the standard fixed pitch prop because it's easy to handle and safe. Yet advanced pilots, especially for competition, would benefit from the adjustable prop as they can set different angle, different pitch of the blades for specific tasks. Setting the angle lower will increase the maximum RPM of the engine and will increase and will reach the maximum thrust, which is great for slalom tasks, for tandem flights and for aggressive flying. Increasing the angle, on the other hand, will not allow the engine to reach the maximum RPM, but will increase the efficiency in the mid-range. And for the level flight, you will reach better fuel consumption, which is great for economy tasks. There are also some disadvantages. First, the adjustable prop is a little bit heavier, and secondly, you cannot disassemble the prop without losing the settings. That means if you really need to disassemble it for transport, next time you will need to do the settings again. Now I will show you how to do it. It's really simple, easy, and if you are patient, you can do it very precisely and achieve very good results. To do the settings, obviously you will need an adjustable prop. Here I have a 3-blade prop that I use with my Polini 250. You will need a protractor. This is a very smart and simple one. It's our own design. It's made specially for this prop. It works with any smartphone. I'm using an old iPhone, but it works really with any phone, and the only thing you will need is to download an application called Clinometer, and it's very precise and it's able to measure the angles very accurately. And you will need an Allen key. With every measuring, it is necessary to place the prop exactly in the same position. What I do, I place it in the corner of the table and align one blade always with the edge of the table. This way I know that when I will rotate the propeller, I will always put it in the same position. So take the protractor, place the phone inside, and launch the application called Clinometer. Now I will move the prop and set my zero value exactly in the place where I will be positioning the prop for all the measuring. So I place the protractor and set my zero value. So from now on I will be measuring the angle relative to this position. I'll place the prop back and put the protractor on the blade. Press with your fingers firmly onto the blade until it's secured, and now I'll see the angle is set to 13.8 at the moment. In this specific occasion, I want to decrease the angle of the propeller, so I will reach higher RPM. So when we will do the settings, I will set 13. There are 8mm bolts on the prop that we use to fix the propeller onto the paramotor. It's necessary to keep them there because these bolts also serve as pins to set the exact position of the propeller. So when the bolts are there, the prop cannot go anyway more inside or outside. To be able to rotate the blades, you will need to loosen these 6mm bolts. Lose them just enough to be able to make some movement, but not too much. If the blade is too loose, even after setting the pitch, when you will be tightening the bolts again, the prop may move. So find the position, and okay, now it seems fine because I'm able to rotate the blade, but the blade does not move up and down too much. So take your protractor, place the prop exactly in the same position, and now rotate the blade into the desired position. Okay, this is 13. Now I will carefully rotate the prop to set the next blade. Now tighten the 6mm bolts again. With each bolt just a small movement, so you have all of the bolts tightened evenly. Try not to touch the blades so you don't move them. Okay. And hopefully we are ready now, but still we need to double check. So we check every blade if the angle is equal. It may happen that during tightening the 6mm bolts, sometimes the blades just move a little, and in that case you just repeat the process. It's very important to do it precisely. In this case, I have a difference of 0.1 degree, which is acceptable. 0.1, 0.2 is okay. Any higher difference may cause danger to the prop, engine, and yourself as well. If you're patient enough, it's very easy to achieve good results. Always double check the settings at the end. Now we are almost done. The setting is we have set all the blades, we have tightened the 6mm bolts, but please don't forget the last thing. When you place the prop on the paramotor with those 8mm bolts, make sure you will tighten these 3 6mm bolts again, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check our Facebook page so you don't miss the next tips and tricks, and I only can wish you safe flying and enjoy. Ciao.